All right, guys, so you're going to take our forged diesel tool here for the early 03, 04 and a half power strokes. As you guys can see here, obviously this early model has what we call the log style oil rail. It's just a singular log that goes all the way straight back and forward that feeds the oil pressure to each injector. On the newer style trucks, 04 and a half to 07, they're the web style oil rail. You might have heard that referred to that kind of a lingo in different forums and things. But to get this rail off, you've got to get this high pressure oil line disconnected, and you need a tool just as such to do that. So our forged diesel disconnect tool, so as you get this tool down in there, you're going to want to get it between that rubber piece and the metal. As you can see, it just goes in there and applies just enough pressure there to disconnect that line. Now, it won't come completely out because it's going to hit your rocker box. But once you get all of your 8mm bolts loose on your rail, you can go ahead and take that rail out then and proceed with, it'll slide out and this will disconnect. You can also disconnect the other end with this tool as well if you want to, and to take this line completely out to completely change it.